Here's how to fix the cannot connect to network error quickly. Step 1. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, Status. Scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will automatically restart and restore all network settings to default. This often resolves connectivity errors caused by misconfigured settings. Step 2. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I, then open Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Windows will search for pending updates and automatically download them. Restart your PC if prompted. Installing updates can fix bugs or compatibility issues that prevent network connections. After completing these steps, your PC should connect to networks without errors. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.